Howdy, what's going on, y'all? My name is Gail. I am also known as a small town picker, and today we're going to go over some of the items that sold. Alright, first thing up is this. This is an oven thermometer that I paid $1 for at a garage sale, and I sold it for $10 on eBay. They paid the shipping. Boom. I am preparing it to go into this box because this actually is going to New Delhi. And when I went to go print a label, it said no shipping or no service available. So now I'm on chat with eBay to try to get this fixed. They told me I needed to have GSP or find a carrier that would give me a label. So I thought I was signed up for international shipping and GSP. That way they'd have a choice. But apparently I'm not. I took what they said to say go to a pirate ship, which I did. And sure enough, I think they were charged $15 and change for shipping. And my cost was $14 and change because of a discount. And it looks like everything was regular like normal. eBay is on chat, and of course they're not any help anyway. So while they're telling me to hold, I am doing my own thing and getting this figured out. And I'm gonna take it to the post office so I can get this shipped out. So I'm new to the shipping internationally. Normally eBay would give me the label. This is the first time. I don't know if it's because it's going to India, a different country. Maybe they weren't able to provide me with a label. So sorry for the long rant. I just thought I'd share that with you in case you are an international shipper and you're new and stuff like that happens. If eBay doesn't give you the label like you normally get through eBay, then you can go to Pirate Ship. If you don't have an account already, sign up there and you can link your eBay account to it so it will automatically upload the address that belongs to the buyer. They give you a rate, you buy it, and you're done. That's it. I was not sure I would sell these, but I did for $8 and they paid shipping, which was, the shipping was like 12 bucks. So I paid $2 for those, so I'm in the profit. I also sold another set of these plastic fish plates. I have one more set with these colors, but I sold these for $15 on a best offer deal. Again, I bought an entire 44 plus plates for $4, so I'm already in the profit on these. I got these drip coffee mugs in an estate sale for $7.50, and I sold them for $29.99. Buyer paid for the shipping. I don't know why these two, I'm selling them together. I bought quite a bit of them a while back ago at Walmart for $1 each. Plus tax, and they didn't sell, and all of a sudden they were selling, and I had 2 for $8 and I increased this to 2 for $10. I pay the shipping, so the profit's not terrible, but because they started selling, I went from 8 to 10, and then I was selling them individually as well. I was charging 7. I changed that to 8, so they're still selling. I have one more set of 2, so basically I have 3 of these left, so hopefully these will be done soon enough. I actually think these are selling because they're kind of the apple cider. It's kind of the holiday scent. So I guess sometimes you just gotta be patient, I guess. So I bought this private practice season something, the complete first season. I don't know if you've ever seen this. This is a spinoff from Grey's Anatomy years ago, and I really liked it, but it's brand new. You can see I paid $1.99 at Goodwill for this, and I wanted a quick flip. I guess that's the only reason I listed this the way I did. I sold it for $5.50. Yes, $5.50, and they paid shipping. So I don't know what I was thinking. What, I made a couple bucks. Maybe that was the comps. I think it was going for 10 with free shipping. I don't know. I'm all twisted up in this, but it's so quick. So this Parcheesi game, it's new in the box, and to be honest, y'all, I bought this for $5 at Goodwill, and I sold it for $45 on eBay. They paid the shipping, and I kind of noticed when I was getting ready to ship this, those little ripples right there, that's on the cardboard. So hopefully the buyer does not have an issue with it. If they do, that's gonna suck. This is going out regional rate A box, which is like a flat rate. This fits in there very perfectly, so I'm sending that out. And let's see, what do we got next? Man, I hate it when I package those things up and forget to put my thank you note in there, but I did. I'm sorry. If you're watching and you bought this from me and your name is Mel and you live in Missouri, I'm sorry. But here's your package. It's ready to go. I got to wrap all this up. I bought this for $5 at a garage sale, and I just took a best offer of $25 on eBay. So I'm going to wrap this and kind of secure it because it comes in a case. Exactly. But I got to make sure this stuff, it doesn't fit in this thing very well. I don't know if it's just not intended for this case or what. So I'm going to make sure it's packed in here really good before I put it in a box and ship it off. FedEx home. I just listed this Just Dance 2016 a couple of days ago. I got it at Goodwill for about, I think it was $1.99, and I sold it for $12. I was trying to get 14. They did an offer of 10, and I counter offered with 12. I was real inclined to just take the 10 because really that's not a bad profit. But when I went back just to double check the comps of current listings, and really this wasn't a bad price. $12 was about average for a used one of these. So I countered at 12 and they accepted. So if I didn't counter, I wouldn't have gotten $2 more. So just kind of keep that in mind. Maybe before you just accept an offer, just double check the comps, because if you're below the comps, then you know, there's nothing that's going to make them go to someone else instead. So anyway, I took a chance. I figured if someone was interested this soon, it would sell again if they decline the offer. So either way, $12, they paid the shipping. So my net profit's just probably about $8. And I'm kicking myself because I sold something on Mercari and I went and boxed it up over there. Was not thinking to tell you guys about it. It was from my haul with Palais Royal. So you can see here, I'm just putting it on the screen what I sold. It is a, what do you call those? A disc golf type deal. I sold it for $16 on Mercari. $160 was my fee. So I made $14.40 off of that. And this is going to Georgia. So that was a really good flip because I got it on the closeout of Palais Royal. I'm probably no more than $1 or $2 into it. If I'm $2 into it and my net on the fee after fees was $14.40, then I made about $12 to $13 profit. Not bad. I finally sold this Southern Roots hat, brand new, for $13 locally, so there's no fees on this. I'm probably gonna profit about $6, so not a real big profit, but I'm just glad to get rid of it. I thought people would buy it, but they didn't, so that's what testing the market is. All right, guys, that is it for this What Sold video. Thank you so much for taking time. I hope you stayed through the end. If you did, well, thank you. I was going to say, like, do a hashtag something, but I don't know. Anyway, you know what? Just put a hashtag in the comments, and then I'll know you made it to the end. Again, thank you so much for taking time to watch my video, whether it's short time or the whole video. I do appreciate you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.